Welcome to Team Curran's workshop for installing our SynSisal products. The purpose of this video is to give you a basic overview of how to install our product using the direct glue method. Before getting started, you will need the following recommended tools available. Begin by finding the location of your seam and snapping a chalk line to ensure your seam stays straight. Once done, go ahead and lay out your material and roughly line up your seam. Using a knee kicker, bring your material up to the chalk line and then proceed to set it in place using nails if possible to ensure it does not shift. Once set, proceed to the other side and repeat that process, bringing the seam together. Note that you may leave the seam slightly full at this point so that later on when you are placing it into the adhesive, you can use that fullness in your favor to help force in a tight seam. After you have set your seam, begin enveloping the material to open up the area you will be seaming. Using the proper tools for spreading adhesives is critical for a successful installation. It's important that the teeth in your trowel are clean and are cut to proper width and depth. Think of a trowel as a measuring cup. Its purpose is to deliver a precise measured amount of adhesive to the floor to allow for proper adhesion. Too much or too little may ruin the final outcome of your installation. Continue spreading adhesive, covering the entire surface that will be receiving carpet. Once complete, allow the adhesive to begin to dry sufficiently. You may use fans to expedite this process. Always check with the manufacturer's recommendation on the adhesive label. Next, you'll begin placing the material down into the adhesive. Once the first side is set, use a carpet core or 30-pound roller to press the padding into the adhesive. Use the prescribed contact adhesive down the entire cut edge to prepare your seam and prevent future fraying. Begin unfolding your other side, carefully matching up your seam. Slightly folding the material and creating a small bubble on the side will help to create a clean seam and match up the edges properly. Next, roll a pinwheel roller along the seam to help set the weaves together and clean up your seam. Use a knee kicker as necessary to ensure seams are firmly pressed together. Roll the carpet into the adhesive in both directions with the lightest roller possible. This will ensure full transfer of adhesive into the carpet backing. Finally, finish the process by cutting in your perimeter and adding contact adhesive to all cut edges to prevent fraying.